Sorry, I couldn't read. Sponge on the Run, original motion picture soundtrack by Tiny, on Amazon Music. Sorry, I couldn't find any songs for you.
Come on, stereo system. Ben 10 has a new ally. It's Kevin Levin with his new transforming action cruiser. It's actually really names Kevin's car. Now listen here, everyone. I don't want anyone touching his ride. Alright? I don't want this thing stained. I don't want this thing scratched. I don't want this thing busted. You understand me? Alright. To draw this car, you start by drawing it the windshield.
The Jovial. You want the thin spaghetti? Here it is. The thin spaghetti.
Alright. Here's the music. Well, actually, this is the road. Alright, here's his tire. Here are the tires. Note to self, this is actually my first time drawing a vehicle. And what better way to draw a vehicle than Kevin's car? The transforming action cruiser. There we are. That's how you draw the transforming action cruiser. The vehicle comes with a stone-colored Kevin Levin action figure and alien orbs and alien gel and a few missile launchers. Available at atomice.com. Anyhow, that's how you draw Kevin's car. Don't worry, folks. I'll draw more like this coming soon. Good night.